All right, welcome to San Antonio Home Tours. Today we are just out and about. I'm with my beautiful wife and we're looking at homes that are good deals that I can send to my clients. So today we're a little bit further away from civilization on Potranco and 211. Mary thinks that's funny.
No.
Sorry, G-Bug. I'm putting her on the spot, and I promised her I wouldn't. But we're looking at this amazing David Weekley home. We're out here on Megan's Landing. And so this one is the Livingston plan. David Weekley's The Livingston Plan. It is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,725 square feet. And it is on the market for $599.
And you forgot to mention that it's on half an acre.
Ooh.
Same as all the other houses around, which gives you a lot of nice room.
Wow. Y'all heard it from my wife. Half an acre. So that is probably the most important detail that I forgot to mention about this whole community. Every home is on half an acre, which, yeah, it's just tremendous size. So right off the entrance, we have an open area that could be an office. Unfortunately, that it's not enclosed, but you know, maybe you can add a glass enclosure. We've seen those on social media. This home really is beautiful. To the left, we've got the powder room, a loft, and the 2 bedrooms to the left here. Sorry, it's not a loft, but just a mini living area. And to the right, you have the utility room. And coming up here, we've got the living area and the kitchen. And this looks as amazing as it does on video. It's just...
No, it probably looks better in person, so make sure to check it out.
You heard it straight, folks. My wife says it looks better in person. So the cool thing that they're offering here, by the way, so we're out in Megan's Landing. This is a little bit further away from everything. I mean, it's just up the road on Potranco. You're still only going to be about 10 to 12 minutes from Costco, from 1604. You're still really close, but out here definitely feels like, you know, you're in the, you know, farm and ranch area. There's private roads and everything out here. But the cool thing is that there's still a lot of growth happening over here. You're really close to 211, which is going to be the next loop in San Antonio. And Microsoft is actually coming out and building a database out here. So, you know, definitely a lot of growth. So we're going into the primary bedroom. No carpet. Everything is, it looks to be LVP. So pretty good size primary bedroom. The bathroom is, the ensuite is crazy. We've got nice shower here. Huge shower.
With windows.
With windows. Yep.
And huge vanity.
Huge vanity. Yep.
And the tile, very modern with the gold accents that match with all the fixtures. We definitely have a lot of nice fixtures in this house.
Yep. They do, and the closet. So, you know, you typically don't see tile in closets, but this one does, which is awesome. Really cool. The only complaint from my wife was the fact that there is no
vanity in the middle.
in the middle.
They could have very easily put a vanity, but you could also fit one in your huge closet or even on this side of the restroom. So not a big deal. It's also huge. I hadn't noticed how long of a bedroom it is. There is a lot of space.
Yep. All right, so let's check out the other bedrooms. So you've got a ton of closet space. You have some here. And by the way, you do have the utility room, which is pretty spacious. Another pretty big closet here. That you can going right into the kitchen living area. But if you park in the garage, you also will be coming in right into the kitchen area, living room area. The awesome thing is, it's 3-car garage. You got 2 picture windows, 3 windows that you can actually open. So if it was, there was a nice breeze outside, you could actually, don't have to have the garage open, which, that maybe is the other option, but you could just open the windows too. It's got 2 water heaters with 2 expansion tanks, and it is plumbed for a water softener. And that area is just elevated. The cars won't be in the way from that there. So that is really, really nice garage.
And what I hadn't noticed too is that after you walk in through the garage, you have the kitchen right away. So if you're coming in with groceries, you can just dump them here super quickly, which is really cool.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And another thing, you didn't point out the super fancy, what's this thing called?
Range.
Yeah, it's really fancy, and all the appliances here are Electrolux, which I've never seen that brand name, so I have no idea, but they definitely look very fancy.
Yeah, and you've got a pot filler. It is electric, but I mean, just look at all the space here for pots and pans and stuff. And I was able to open the ones at the top, but barely. I had to tippy toe. But still, you got a lot of space. It's a nice, beautiful
A lot of
kitchen.
cabinets all the way to the top,
Yep.
touching the ceiling.
Got a pantry, pretty big pantry.
Huge pantry.
Yeah.
And the ceiling details are really nice. How it's
Oh yeah, like vaulted.
vaulted.
Yeah.
Here and over the living room,
Mm-hmm.
the little beams.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and then we got to go check out the other bedrooms here. You do have this little playroom area / mini living room, because this home is 1 story. Pretty nice. You've got the full bathroom that will be shared by the other bedrooms, which are on the left side of the home. And this room has a nice picture window. That's a huge picture window. This is a regular window that can open, and 2 bar windows at the top there.
Both bedrooms have windows at the front.
Oh yeah,
And you have a very nice view of the houses
you do.
with all the greenery.
Mm-hmm. And then in the closet here. All right, so let's go check out the backyard. Trying to keep this video under 10 minutes, so let's do a quick. There are 2 fans right here.
Huge patio area.
Huge.
Super wide. And it already has the railing, which is super cool.
Yeah.
Super wide backyard.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. All right, y'all.